Hey there and welcome to our trading channel. In today's video we'll dive into an easy to follow strategy that perfects our traders looking to make smarter decisions in the fast-paced world of trading. We'll be using the user-friendly TradingView platform and focusing on a quick 5-minute Bitcoin chart to show you the ropes. So let's jump right in and discover how this strategy can help boost your trading confidence and success. We'll break down each step of this straightforward strategy, which is tailor-made for those seeking rapid, profitable trades in an energetic market. We've got a fantastic tool called the RMI Trend Indicator that'll make it easy to spot buy and sell signals across various markets. Once we've added it to our setup, we'll fine-tune its settings for the best results. This handy indicator is designed to give you clear buy and sell signals in all sorts of markets, making it perfect starting point for our strategy. We applied our strategy to Dow Jones chart and saw impressive results, achieving a remarkable 117% profit with just a few trades. But that's not all. We're going to enhance this strategy even further by adding another powerful indicator to the mix. This additional will help you maximize your profits and make more informed trading decisions. But before we proceed, we'd like to request your support. If you found this video helpful and want to see more valuable content like this, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to our channel. By doing so, you'll be the first to access our newest strategies and insights, all crafted to help you excel in your trading endeavors. We're now ready to introduce the second indicator in our strategy, the RSI histogram. After adding it, we'll need to make a few tweaks to optimize its performance within our approach. So now with both indicators in place and properly adjusted, let's explore how to use them for making profitable trades. When considering a buy trade, the first step is to wait for a buy signal from the RMI trend indicator on the chart. Next, we'll turn our attention to the RSI histogram. If the histogram displays positive bars above the midline, this indicates a growing momentum in the market, confirming the buy signal. So once the RSI histogram validates the signal, you can confidently enter a buy position. And to manage risk, set a stop loss for the trade using either the RMI trend indicator or the recent swing low of the market. When it comes to exit the trade and secure your profits, aim for a target that is 1.5 times greater than the risk of your trade, maintaining a healthy risk to reward ratio. Now that we covered the steps for entering a buy trade, let's explore how to apply our strategy to short trade. When considering a short trade, begin by looking for a sell signal from the RMI trend indicator on the chart. Next, examine the RSI histogram. If the histogram shows negative bars below the midline, this indicates a declining momentum in the market, confirming the sell signal. So once the RSI histogram validates the signal, you can confidently enter a short position. Next, don't forget to put a stop loss for your trade. You can use either the recent swing high or the RMI trend indicator line. And to exit the trade and profit, aim for a target that is 1.5 times the risk of your trade. But be sure to check out our next recommended video for more valuable tips on maximizing profits in any trading scenario. Keep expanding your skills and let's conquer the markets together.